Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your own custom functions in Microsoft Excel. Before we get started, there's two things that you're going to want to ensure. First thing being that you want to make sure that your workbook is a macro enabled workbook. We're going to be making, in essence, our own macro here. So therefore you're going to want to go to File, Save As, and just ensure that your file type is macro enabled. Okay, we do not want it to just be plain old Excel workbook. We want it to read macro enabled workbook. Okay, the next thing is you're going to want this developer tab. If you don't have that, then go ahead and go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and make sure that that developer box is checked there. Okay. To get started, we're going to go into the Developer tab and then select this View Code button in the Controls group. And what that will do is it will open Visual Basic for applications. So this is our Visual Basic editor in Microsoft Excel. Next, we're going to want to go into Insert, Module, and we're effectively made a new module here. Okay, this is where we're going to be writing our code. And what we're first going to want to type is public function, the name of your function. So in this example, we're going to be calculating year over year. So go ahead and just call it whatever you want. I'm going to call mine YOY, open parentheses. And within these parentheses, you're going to want to write in your variable names. These are the arguments that you want to pass inside of your function, right? So when I'm calculating year over year, I know that I want the old year. I'm going to add a comma there to specify another variable, and I'm going to want the new year. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and just close that with the closing parenthesis. And when I hit enter, it will add the end function line there for me. Within these two lines, we're going to want to write our formula. So effectively within these two lines, I'm going to write the formula for y over y. So year over year is just YOY equals, and we want our new year minus our old year divided by the old year. That's how you calculate y over y. We're just going to add some wrapping parentheses there. And we're just going to go ahead and save that. We could close the editor. And within any of these cells, we could just go ahead and say equals YOY, and we see that the function that we made appears. Go ahead and hit tab to open that, and we just got to pass in our arguments, right? We said old year and new year. So what's the old year? That's 2017 revenue. What's the new year? 2018 revenue. Go ahead and use the closing parentheses, and we could just drag that down, and we could see that we are calculating the year over year between the 2017 revenue and 2018 revenue. So that's how you make your own function. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next. Thank you.